Okay, traders. Yeah, welcome to a quick weekend analysis on gold spot, and this is just analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 13th of September to the 4th of October. So it is just a 5 days market. Actually, we're going to see market analysis based on trend lines. Also, we'll be looking on candlestick patterns and the candlesticks, and also we'll be reading the wave count now, the Elliott waves. And so in a combination of all these factors, actually we'll be able to identify now the possible direction for the gold price now in the coming week. So now this is the top down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and now for the purpose of this analysis I'll be analyzing the 1-hour time frame. So make sure that you watch until the end, and in 1-hour time frame is where I'll be providing those possible entries for the coming week. So now let's quickly see what are the key points now or highlights now in every time frame. So I'm in a monthly time frame, and in a monthly time frame now, what is important here actually, now we see this monthly candlestick has opened a very beautiful bullish momentum, and actually we have left with just a single trading day for the monthly candlestick to close now. So anything can happen now, but as we go to in a lower time frames now, we'll be able to see what is possibly going to happen now on monthly time frame, if price is going to continue pushing to the upside, or price now has already started a bearish movement to the downside. So now this is the monthly time frame, and remember next week we are going to have NFP on Friday, and also it will be now the first week of the October month. So actually a new candlestick will be formed. So now how that candle will be, maybe a bullish or bearish, now it will depend on this analysis based on lower time frames. Now let me quickly go to weekly time frame and see what are the key highlights in weekly time frame. And first of all, actually there's been mentioned several times now, it is now twice, it has been mentioned in analysis twice. Now it is the third week now since this level was identified and marked here, so you can go and watch. So now this level was due to equality in Elliott wave. So basically actually the expectation was price was just down here, so price was at this candlestick. So the projection was price is going to make a turn once it hit this level. A possible turn was expected now at this level. So price actually has moved to that particular level, and beautiful enough we see rejection has already started from the level. Price closed with the rejection now this week, so we expect this can hold it true by having the next candle pushing to the downside, and this push to the downside will be in formation of the fourth wave. So actually if you look on the wave counts now, you can find that currently we are in completion of the third wave to the upside. So we are looking for a possible fourth wave, and finally fifth wave will be completed to the upside. So this will be the fourth of the fifth wave, because the fourth wave in higher degree was completed here. Then we had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So basically this equality here was based on this previous wave move right here. So that is very, very important. Then quickly let me go to daily time frame. Now in daily time frame, what we see is just now price is moving at that level, the level of equality. As usual, we see rejection and also at least the beginning of building the bearish momentum. Now we see the beginning of bearish momentum. Now in addition to this level of equality, also there is a trend line. Now this is running over here, so now it has several touches. Now from here you can see there are several touches from down there, so this also was expected to be a touch, and beautiful enough price has failed to close outside of this trend line, so it is trading below. So we expect now next candles will maintain the price level below this trend line. So this indicates that we expect a possible move to the downside. So how the movement will be, let's see the lower time frames. Now we'll see clearly what is going to happen. So let me quickly go to 4-hour time frame. And in 4-hour time frame, as usual, we see all the key things highlighted in daily time frame, and in weekly and daily time frame, we see the level of equality, and also we see the trend line. So important enough, now in this time frame we can also see the details of this trend line highlighted in daily time frame. So basically we see now several times now from here price started pushing to the upside, breaking the level, it failed again and pushed up again, failed again to the upside, failed to the upside, closed below, tried again below, and then finally down. So now with all those unsuccessive attempts to close above the trend line, this indicates that now trend line is very significant and possibly is going to resist the price from here to the downside. So we don't expect to see candlesticks closing and moving above this trend line. That is the possibility now in 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now we see a stronger bearish momentum. Now does this signify the beginning of the bearish momentum? Possibly. So let me go to 1 hour and provide those possible entries. So basically in 1 hour time frame, for the purpose of this analysis, I'll be providing 2 possible market move, but commonly for those who watch analysis several times, I provide just a single market projection, just a single direction. If it is a buy, just a buy. So for the purpose of this, I will be providing the primary projection and the alternative projection. Now in the primary projection, actually what we'll be expecting is price has started a 1, 2 to the upside, this is 3, then this will be 4. So we'll be looking for the 5th wave to the downside. So this is in the primary projection, and with this projection, how you are going to trade next week, basically you'll be watching for sales when the price is going to break below 26.43. So when the price has successfully broken and closed below 26.43, so any push to the upside will be correction and will be an opportunity for sell. So it means now after this break, price will complete the 5th wave to the downside, then it will be correcting to the upside. So any correction now will to continue with the sell. So the best thing is to watch for a possible break at the 26.43. Now alternatively, we can expect for this move. Now this first move is A, now this A here, then second move is B instead of 2, then this wave 3 is C now. So this is alternative. So if this is wave C, so we expect this push to the upside is the beginning of trend to the upside. So we can expect a continuation of this trend to the upside. So how are you going to trade now? Watch for 26.75. So in most cases, you will be watching for 26.75. In most cases, around this region. So once price is above this region, so any push to the downside will be a correction and will be now an opportunity to continue buying to the upside. So take a profit for both directions are open, and these updates will also be provided in Telegram channel now for the possible take profits for these either buy trades or sell trades. So this is the overall projection. Make sure that you do your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders so that you'll have confidence on probable direction on gold for the coming week. Have a powerful weekend.